Welcome to my channel for comprehensive tutorials on fundamental principles to complex problems. I'll cover it all. Feel free to share, subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Welcome back to this video in which I am explaining how to find out square of the number given, in which you will not be needing a calculator, but of course if you need to check if your working is right, definitely you can check, but this is the easiest way, and things becomes easier and number becomes very friendly to you once you try to understand how the tricks are going to be applied. Now here I need to find out the square of 52. That means 2 times 2 is a 04 and 5 times 5 is a 25. So I will write like this. Now 5 times 2 is a 10, and what is the double of 10? Double of 10 is 20. Now you simply add this in this way. 4072 is going to be your correct answer, and you will get full marks. Now when it comes to 37, 7 times 7 is a 49, and 3 times 3 is a 9, so you write a 9 like this. Now 3 times 7 is a 21. What is the double of 21? Double of 21 is 42. And when you add these together, you get 1369 is your correct answer. Now 6 times 6 is 36, and 7 times 7 is a 49. You write like this. And in here 7 times 6 is a 42, and double of 42 is 84, and you will add 84 in this way, and you get full marks. This is your final answer. Now when it comes to 95, 5 times 5 is a 25, and 9 times 9 is an 81. Now 9 times 5 is a 45. 9 times 5 is a 45. Double of 45 is a 90. You write 90 like this, and you add this together. You get 2, 5, 2, and 9 plus 1 is a 10, and 9025 is your right answer. You can check using a calculator. Now 3 times 3 is going to give you a 9. You write 09. 6 times 6 is a 36, double digit, and 6 times 3 is a 18. 18 plus 18 is a 36, and you will write something like this, and your final answer is going to be something like this. Now there are so many students, they ask me if two numbers are okay. What if we have three numbers? For example, if you have 3 digits, I've given you a question over here. Now it says trick to find out the square of 3 digits. Now in here what will happen is 4 times 4 is a 16. You write 16 like this, and 1 time is a 1, so you write a 01 like this, and then 2 times 2 is a 4, and you will write a 04 like this. Now 2 times 1 is a 2, double of 2 is a 4, so you write a 04 like this. 1 times 4 is a 4, double of 4 is an 8, so you write 8 like this. Now 2 times 4 is an 8, double of 8 is 16, so you write 16 like this, and you add them up together. This gives you 6, 8 plus 1 gives you 9, 6 plus 1 gives you a 7, 4 plus 1 is going to give you a 5, and this 4 is going to come down. This is your answer. When it comes to 325, 5 times 5 is a 25, and 2 times 2 is a 04, and 3 times 3 is a 9, so I will write 09 like this. Now in here next is 3 times 2 is a 6. For example, 3 times 2 is a 6, and double of 6 is a 12. Now I will write a 12 like this, and 2 times 5 is a 10, double of 10 is a 20. I will write 20 like this. Lastly, 3 times 5 is a 15, 15 plus 15 is a 30, and I will write something like this. And now when I add them together, I get 5, 2, 0 is a 2, 4 plus 2 is a 6, and 3 plus 2 is a 5, 9 plus 1 is a 10. I will write like this, and this is going to be your final answer. When it comes to 462, in here 2 times 2 is a 04, 6 times 6 is a 36, and 4 times 4 is a 16. I will write like this. Now 4 times 6 is a 24, and I will write a 48 like this. And 6 times 2 is a 12. I will write a double of this number is 24. like this. Now lastly, 4 times 6, 2 is a 6. 4 times 2 is a 8. 8 plus 8 is a 16. So I will write a 16 like this. And then I will add this way, 4, 4 and 14. This gives you 12 and 1, 13. This gives us 4, 3, 1, 4, 12, 13. And 1 goes here and this becomes 11, and 2, 1, 3, 4 is going to be your final answer. When it comes to this question, 2 times 2 is a 04, 3 times 3 is a 9, I will write 09, 5 times 5 is a 25. This is the digit you are going to get. I will write 25 this way. Now again, 5 times 3 is a 15. I will use a double 30, which is going to be like this. 2 times 3 is a 6. 6 plus 6 is going to give us a 12. Now 5 times 2 is a 10. 10 plus 10 is a 20, and I will write 20 like this. I will add them up. Once I add, this is going to give us 4. This will give you 2. 9 plus 1 is a 10. 1 goes on top. 2 becomes a 3. And 3 plus 5 is a 8. 8. And this 2 is going to come here. This is your final answer. 9 times 9 is an 81. 2 times 2 is a 04. 6 times 6 is a 36. Now again, same practice. 6 times 2 is a 12. 12 plus 12 is a 24. So I will write a 24 like this. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 18 is a 36. So I will write 36 like this. 6 times 9 is a 54. 54 double is 108. So I will write 108 like this. This gives us 1. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 goes here. 16, 17, 18, 19. So this is going to give us, so this gives us 16. This gives us 5. This gives us 9. And this gives us 3. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to get more contents like this. Thank you very much once again.